All right. Hi, guys. Welcome to our PE and computer video. So this is our last topic in PE. So we are going to learn about speed. Okay, so what is a speed? A speed refers to how quickly or slowly you perform a movement in a certain time. So there are movements that you can do slowly, and these movements are completed in a longer time. So if your movements is slow, then you can complete this these movements in a longer time. Slow movements are what? Are careful and prolonged. Okay? So the slow movements are careful. You are careful on every movement, and prolonged. Prolonged, it's longer. Okay po? So now, there are also movements that you can do fast. Okay? These movements are completed in a shorter time because you finish it fast, then you will only complete it in a short time. So fast movements are quick and sudden, all right? Fast movements are quick and sudden. So remember, if it is slowly, then it's longer time. Slow movements are careful and prolonged. So if it is fast, then it is shorter time. And fast movements are quick and sudden. All right, remember that one. So we can use slow, slower, there are three, and slowest. Okay, so slow, slower, and slowest are words used to describe when you compare movements done in longer periods of time. So the slow movements is moving a little speed, slower moving a less speed, and slowest movement moving with the least movement. So for example, we have here a car, animals na lang, dog, turtle, and cheetah. So where is the slow? Which one is the slowest? Is it dog, turtle, or the cheetah? Okay, so the cheetah is the slowest, right? And then the dog is slower, and slow is the 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 turtle is the slowest, the dog is slower, and cheetah is slow. Okay, so all in all, the turtle is the lowest in the three. Okay po, and dog is slower than a cheetah. Okay, and the slowest is the turtle. Okay po, so we use slow, slower, and slowest if we want to describe or compare the movements. Okay po, next we have also what we call fast, faster, and fastest. So we use this to describe when comparing naman the movements done in a shorter periods of time. Okay, so we have fast, moving by a great speed. We have a faster movement, moving by a greater speed, and fastest movement, moving with the greatest speed. As you can see also here, oh, great, greater, greatest speed. All right. Okay, so now please get your book, open it on page 282. Go. Are you already on page 282? So let us start. We will answer letter A. Write what? Right? True or false? Number 1, movements can be compared as fast, faster, and fastest. Is it true or false? Please write your answer. Next, let's go to number 2. Slow movements. Slow movement means moving with less speed. True or false? Please write your answer. Next, let's proceed to number 3. More effort is needed or exerted when doing a slow movement. I will repeat number 3. More effort is exerted when doing slow movements. Is it true or false? Next, let's go to number 4. Much effort is exerted when doing faster movements. True or false? Okay, and the last number, all pupils have the same speed of movements. All pupils have the same speed of movements. True or false? Okay, now you can pause the video if you are not yet done. So for those who are done, let's proceed to our computer and we are gonna talk about the Windows 10 operating system or Windows 10 OS. OS, O means operating, S means system. So this is what it looked like, okay po? Operating system is one of the most important software. It is a program with a set of instructions that a computer will follow to do a specific task. So that is a operating system. What about a Windows 10? It is a kind of operating system that released last July 29, 2015, and it can help you open and use many programs at the same time. Okay, so let's let's start our Windows 10 operating system. So how to start our Windows operating system? First, you're gonna turn on your computer by pressing the button and it will automatically start. Okay, and then you will see the lock screen. After pressing the space bar, you will see the login screen. Okay, there. Just turn it on and you will see the lock screen and then click the space bar and then you will see the login screen. And when you open it, this is how it looks. Okay, you can see the desktop. Okay, you know the desktop? Okay, it's the screen in your computer. So it is the overall working area in your Windows, this one. It is the desktop. It is this whole window of your monitor. Okay po, that's the desktop. Okay, so what are the parts of the desktop? We have a desktop icons, the wallpaper, taskbar, of course, and the desktop. Okay, so desktop is the overall. So this one, the overall. And then the desktop icons are the small graphical pictures that or folders which will allow you to open files, folders, or programs. So these are the desktop icons, this one. Okay, you can open a file or a program. So this is the desktop icons. This is the desktop, the overall, remember, and these are the desktop icons, this one there, those are the desktop icons. Okay po? Okay, now let's proceed to the next. It's the wallpaper. It is the background image of the desktop, okay? So others, they use a picture of flower for their wallpaper or their family picture. It's here on their desktop, okay? Next is the taskbar. It is a long rectangular bar found at the bottom of the desktop. It contains the start button, the search window icon, and the task view icon, and other program too. Okay, so this one, it is here, and this one, that start, the search, the taskbar, and the task view icon, and other programs. Okay, this one. All right. So this is our desktop. We have the desktop icons, the wallpaper, and the taskbar. Also the start and the search. Okay, this is the, okay, that's the taskbar, and this is the notification area. Okay, so now another one is the task view icon. Clicking this icon will show thumbnails of the application programs that are currently open. So this one, when you click the start, it will open programs. Okay po, like this. And then next is the search windows icon. It is used to type and search for apps and files and settings. This one. Okay. And we have the notification area. It is located at the bottom right, this one. We can see there the date, the notif, the sound status, the networks, and other hidden icons. Okay po? Okay, so that is our lesson today. The Windows 10 operating system. Okay po? So now, please get, again, this is how you open. Just click your computer. You will see the lock screen and the login, and then you can see the desktop icons, wallpapers, and the taskbar. Okay, and then the start menu, the search, and the notification area. Okay, so now you are going to identify the following words. Write SM if it is a part of the start menu, and DT if it is part of the desktop. Okay, this is the start menu. When you click the start menu, you can see there the tiles, the settings, the file explorer, the power, the all apps. There, okay po. And the desktop is this one, the other one. Okay, this. You have the wallpaper, the desktop icons, and the taskbar. Okay. And this is the start menu. When you click the start menu, you can see this one. All right po. Okay. So now let's open your book. It's on page 124. Identify the following words. Write SM if it is part of the start menu, and DT if it is part of a desktop. Okay, so number one, file explorer icon, DT or SM or DT. Next, number two is the settings. Is it in start menu or desktop? SM or DT? Next, the tiles. Okay, the tiles, what? The tiles is this one. Okay, this is the settings, and this is the file explorer in your number 1, File Explorer, this one. Is it SM or DT? Next, number 2 is the settings. This is the settings. Is it in SM or DT? Next, number 3 are the tiles. Is it in SM or DT? Okay, next is what is the number 4? The date and time. Okay, the date and time here. It is in the notification area. Is it in desktop, DSM, or DT? SM or DT? Next, number 5, the taskbar, the long bar here. Is it in SM or DT? Next, number 6, the notification. Okay, you can find it here. Sa notification here, it's in this right bottom. Notification, is it in SM or DT? Okay, next we have the all apps. Okay, look at this one, all apps here. Is it in SM or DT? Next, number 8, your username. Can you find it in your desktop or DT? The username. Okay, next is wallpaper. The wallpaper, this one here in your desktop, wallpaper, this one. Okay, is it in SM or DT? And the last one is the task view icon. Task view icon. Task view icon. It will show you all this one, the one that's are open. It's here, the task view icon. Is it in SM or DT? Okay, so that's all. You can pause the video if you're not yet done. Okay, pause. So for your assignment, take a picture of your MAPE page. Ano nga yung MAPE natin? Page 200, 282 and computer book page 124. Then send it in our class dojo. Study also for our quiz tomorrow. That's all, everyone, and see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.